Round 20, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and mark the second chain as the beginning of the round. As well as the beginning of the repeating stitches, and this counts as a double crochet. So 2 more double crochet on top of the 2 double crochets. Chain 3 and single crochet on the next space. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet on the next space. Chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the same space. Chain 1 and single crochet on the next space. Chain 3 and double crochet on the next double crochet 3 times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next space. Chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet on the same space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, single crochet on the next space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next double crochet 3 times. That's 1, 2, and 3. So we started the repeating stitches, and we are now repeating it on this stitch right here. So the repeating stitches start here on this mark and ends on the chain 3 after the flower and leaves motif. So continue to make the repeating stitches until the end of the round, and I will meet you there. At the end of the round, after the last chain 3, slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 3, which is the mark stitch. And this is the end of the round. So it looks like that at this point.